Some knowledge and some hands-on experiences are best transferred in the field. This video is a close substitute.
So we're going to turn it till it's tight by hand.
That's tight.
All right.
A little more. That's it right there.
Then we're going to put the wrench on until you get it to physically feel it bite. Then mark your...
That's not really... That's,
yeah, hold on, stop right there. That's tight.
That's tight
and
right
you're
there.
Mark that at 1 o'clock. So now go around 2 turns.
Two turns from 1 o'clock, right?
Yeah. Now that it's, because really...
Yep.
Now it's actually tight. So we're just
So that's
run
one right there.
Turn. Yeah. And then you're good.
No, that's it right there.
That's your, yep. And then you're set.
Yep.
Take her back out.
Find out what you needed. I was here yesterday. I just got his number yesterday.
Perfect.
What I need to do though is, well, you can tell by
You
the
can see it by the color.
on
Yeah.
there, right?
Right there, yep. Same thing, put it in, keep going by hand. Keep turning it, yep, yeah, that's it.
Not turn him. Let me snug it up with this a little bit.
All right.
There you go. See, now it's tightening. All right, now just turn it till it snugs.
Yep.
I got that part.
And once
Like
it's
right there,
snug,
that's snug right there.
Okay.
That's snug, so basically right there.
Then run 2, yep.
So that's
1.
1.
2.
Two.
And back her out. I'll hit 1 more and then I'll turn my video off.
That's 1 right there. I can't turn it no more. Yeah.
Yep. And then you're just get a little snug.
Oh, I keep getting this wrench on backwards though. All right, that's 1. That's 1.
There's 1. Second time around with the cage, you're good. Perfect. Excellent.
All right, I think we can handle this.
Hi.
Giving back the knowledge obtained from listening to those that know. We will be there when you need us. Thank you.